Oh, hi there. I'm connecting my new Wi-Fi garden light controller to my Home and Home app. Hi, and welcome to yet another 3-Minute Thursday. I'm Matt, and today I'll be unboxing one of those new Wi-Fi garden light controllers and show you how to connect it to the new Home and Home app. The new controller has 60 watts of capacity and, as the name suggests, can be connected through the Wi-Fi from anywhere in the world. You can also use the new controller and connect it to your existing garden light setup, so perfect for an upgrade. First, you want to make sure that you connect your new garden light controller to power. And then you want to connect your 4-pin RGB color cable into the socket on the end here, like so, and tighten them up. We're ready to set up the controller to the app. Now first, download the app from the App Store or Google Play, depending on your device. Now register your account by following the prompts on the app. Once you're done with that, click the Add the Device button and you will see garden lighting and garden watering on the left hand side here. Now click on garden lighting and the RGB garden light controller, and you will see that it's asking you if the LED on the controller is blinking quickly. Now in that case it already is. Now if your controller doesn't do that, please hold down the Wi-Fi symbol button for 10 seconds and that will initiate the fast blinking of the lights. Now we can confirm here that the LEDs are flashing quickly. Now we'll ask you here to enter in your network details and the password. Now make sure that your network runs on 2.4 GHz. Most routers these days offer 5 GHz, but also the 2.4 GHz. Now make sure that you link in to the 2.4 GHz configuration here. Now once you've done that, hit confirm again and it will initiate the pairing process here. Once that's been successful, you will see a couple of green ticks on the bottom there, which shows you that the pairing process was successful. Now your lights will also stop flashing and have a solid red color here. That's a good sign. Press done and you will see the color wheel on the app. Now from here you can manually change the colors, or you can jump right into the scenes, and you can also set up your scheduling and your timers. I'll be showing you more about this in another video. Now remember that the new RGB Wi-Fi controller is only compatible with the 4-pin home and plug-in socket system. It does not work with the 2-pin warm-white system. However, the good thing again is it's DIY friendly. It runs on 12-volt DC power, so there's no electrician needed to get you going. Now, in the next video, I'll be talking about all the features and how we set up schedules and scenes. We'll dive into that next week. There you have it, guys. You've successfully paired the new Wi-Fi garden light controller to the Home and app. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. And again, if you've got any ideas or comments on what we should cover in one of the next 3-Minute Thursdays, please let us know in the comments below. That's it for today, and I'll see you smart gardeners in the next video.